Happy Monday, everybody. I'm really trying to get away from this Elon Musk saga here with Bitcoin, but he just keeps going at it. Let's get into the action. Seems like Elon just can't hold back, and he had a reply to somebody criticizing him. Here we go. To clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. Is this really what's happening? Can we trust this tweet? We're not going to know anything until the next balance sheet comes out. Do I have the stock? Sure. Do I think it's going to go up? Yeah, he's doing some pretty innovative things when it comes to the technology world, but come on, messing around with crypto and bringing down Bitcoin and impacting all the other coins as well, bringing uncertainty to the market. What you got to remember is that most people that are buying right now, they're brand new to the space and they have not yet experienced the volatility that comes with crypto. So any kind of dip makes people go into a selling frenzy, which again is a great opportunity for purchasing new coins, purchasing things that you might have not been able to pick up before because of the price. But he should know better. At the end of the day, that's the way I feel about this. He should know better than to be so critical of Bitcoin, especially when you have a report here from Galaxy Digital. According to Galaxy Digital, Bitcoin uses half of the energy that gold utilizes on a given year and half of what the banking system uses. So I don't know what you're thinking, Elon. So this message right now is to you. You should stop taking money. Why are you accepting credit cards? Why are you letting people put their bank accounts on your website? If you really believe in what you're saying, well, stop taking fiat currency, because right now it's twice as bad as Bitcoin is. Anyhow, let's take a look at the markets. Bitcoin right now is sitting at $44,500. So it actually fluctuated quite a bit. It went from 42 to 45,000 in a couple of minutes after that tweet from Elon Musk, that reply. And right now we're sitting just under that $45,000 mark. Ethereum took a nosedive over the last few days. We're down to $3,300. ADA is at 207. Again, still a great time to buy in my opinion. And one that I want to highlight further down is Solana. Solana is one of the top coins here, and it actually had a positive day. Go figure, just like I said the other day. I'm still bullish on it, and those three altcoins that I covered yesterday. So that's a little bit of the markets, and I want to make sure that I remind you, hit that like button, that thumbs up right below. It goes a long way. I really appreciate it if you can do that for me, as well as a subscribe and the bell for notifications. That way you know the next time one of my videos comes out. But I didn't cover some things that I really wanted to talk about a few days ago. So on May 12th, two things actually took place that I was pretty pumped about. First, MoneyGram is actually allowing you to send and receive Bitcoin. That's pretty big because they have a huge network. They didn't disclose anything when it comes to Walmart, since they are located inside so many different Walmarts. But regardless, this is definitely a big step in the right direction. It's just one more large organization moving Bitcoin, moving crypto forward. So yeah, it's okay if Elon doesn't want to take it. MoneyGram will do it. Something else I want to cover when it comes to ETFs. If you're a big stock person and you're looking for the right ETF that will suit your crypto needs, Bitwise launched an ETF that includes 30 pure play crypto firms like Coinbase, MicroStrategies. That way, even if you're just in the stock market and you're looking to trade crypto without trading crypto, you can take advantage of these companies. So it's basically a bunch of different stocks put together. But again, this is a little bit of old news. It is back from the 12th, but I wanted to cover it just because I think it's something important for you to know, especially if you're a stock trader and you're trying to figure out, what am I going to do with my 401k? It's just sitting there. What kind of decisions should I make? So I wanted to put that out there for all of you. Last but definitely not least, Sony just published a patent for Bitcoin-enabled esports gambling. That means that Tesla is not the only player in the field playing around with Bitcoin. Yes, again, one more big corporation that is taking advantage of crypto. Sony obviously believes in this. Otherwise, they wouldn't be accepting Bitcoin inside of a system that they're patenting. This means that they see the long haul future with this. They see that there's not only potential, but there's great opportunity for growth. There's great opportunity for gains. And I want to tell you again and again and again, we are just starting. This is the beginning of something great. This is not the end. We're going to be able to look back a few years from now and say, and laugh, not even say, laugh at, remember when Bitcoin was just $50,000? Numbers are going to go up. the amount of money getting poured into the system will continue to increase. And I want to make sure that all of you are part of this as soon and as early as possible to be able to take advantage of the best possible gains there is to have. Something else, I'm going to start mentioning this every once in a while. If you're a graphic designer, you know, if you do web design, if you're a plumber, whatever it is that you do, if you're a Lyft driver, I would highly recommend you take payment in the form of crypto. If you're an Uber driver, put a little thing behind your seat saying, I accept crypto. Start there. Just add one little thing saying that I'm going to support this ecosystem and I'm going to accept payments in this format. The more people that accept Bitcoin, the further we're going to be able to drive this change, be able to drive this movement that is here to stay. So do your part. If you can, accept crypto. I should start accepting crypto. Well, it was great hanging out with you guys today. I will see you tomorrow with more news and insights as to what's going on in the crypto world.